Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, hi!
Okay, nice one. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Cat soap!
Wala na agad yung vlogs. And that? Nasaan?
Cat soap!
Cat soap.
Cat soap!
Cat soup.
The main character.
Pre, magkakaano tayo. Ano?
As you can see, there's the all of the natural history of Banana Q.
Okay,
Look
okay.
at the banana.
Puso.
What is that?
Puso.
Yes, puso.
From plant to produce.
This plant, banana,
Plant first,
and then
bigger plant.
bigger plant.
Bigger plant
More
with
bigger.
heart.
Okay. And then bulbul.
Lagay niyo ito vlog
The fruit from the bigger plant.
Okay?
Cut bigger plant.
Okay?
Sako fruit from the bigger plant.
Okay?
Die.
Die.
Then again.
Oh! Okay, Biel. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Tayo ay nasa Makiling, papunta tayo sa Makiling Botanical Garden.
Okay, nice one. Binasa mo lang dun eh.
So let's go to the Botanical Garden of UP.
Huh?
Making Botanic Garden. Ay, hindi. Mali. O, vlog mo na mag-isa. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Botanical Garden of UP Las Bañas, Laguna. Look at the view. Yes. Nagalaw ba tayo? Road trip. Hindi. Tayo nagalaw.
Nasaan po tayo ngayon?
Papunta po kami sa CR.
Seryoso na nga?
Tama na naman.
Lalong gagwapo na ito pagkain mo to.
Kim Jong-un, kain ka na! This is the museum. Museum. This is the art. This is the arts. The art of the museum.
Provence.
Yes.
Alam.
Then, this is Pugo. Ay, Pugo. Tawag doon?
Ano?
Saan ibon?
Pugod? No.
Pugod. Pugod.
Pugad ng ibon.
Pugad ng ibon?
Nest. Hindi ko alam.
Pugad.
Yeah, pugad.
Ito po. P6. And then, a clown for tarot. This is the clown for tarot. This is the snake.
With a big...
This is the
Ano? Okay.
the
The...
mga nakalagay po sa mga school, yung may yung torch. The mimic. This is it.
This is us before Alcatraz! This is us after Alcatraz! This is us before Jungle Lockdown! A1 yan! A1 represent. Let's go A1! So, this is us before the... Hi po! Hi po!
This is the real hard work.
Mga naka-relay. Ganda na pala kapogi yung mga naka-relay. Museum.
Mang-rate tayo. Ito. Boss, ano pwedeng ma-rate dyan? Ito na lang.
Action time
Oh, montage.
of playing.